Good afternoon, student. Today's maths class, I am going to teach you ascending order. Again, we will do the ascending order today. Most important thing is ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. Every day I am saying ascending means smaller number to bigger number. So children, as we are doing the forward counting, it is also smaller number to bigger number. Smaller number to bigger number. As we are doing the forward counting, it is also smaller number to bigger number. So meaning is that while doing the ascending numbers, you keep in mind the forward counting. If you know the forward counting well, you can do ascending order very well. Okay, so children, ascending order once again means smaller number to bigger number. First of all, I tell you one thing. If the number is between 1 to 10 or 20, it is very easy to write the numbers and search and see which number come first. Which number come first, you will write it and cut that number. Okay, but it is too difficult when the number is above 50 or 50. So, we will not practice of that. We will practice of only forward counting. You count the numbers orally, and you whatever the number come first, you will write it. That is the ascending order. Okay, so let's start the class. This is, what's the number written? 5, 3, 1, 8, 1, 0, 10. So children, we have to do the arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. Today's topic is ascending order. ASCEN. Okay. So 5, 3, 1, 8, 1, 0, 10. So we have to arrange in ascending order. Means smaller number to bigger number. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. So we will keep in mind the smaller number. We will count the number. See, number is here or not? 0, 1. 1 is here? Yes, 1 is here. So 1 is the smallest one. We will write 1 and cut the 1. 1, 2, no 2 is here. Then 3, yes, 3 is here. You will write the number 3 here. 3, then after 3, 4 is here. No. 5, yes, 5 is here. So you will cut the number 5 and write it here. See, same way we are going forward counting, the number become big. And we are counting the numbers and doing the smaller to bigger. Forward counting also smaller number to bigger number. So it's not so difficult, but you may practice every day. After 5, 6 is not there. 7 is not there. 8 is there. So we will write 8. Then 10, 1, 0, 10 is here. 10. So next number is 10. So this is, I have arranged the number in ascending order. Smaller number to bigger number. See, when we are counting the numbers, 1 come first, then 3, then 5, then 8, then 1, 0, 10. Here also one point is there. How you will know that a smaller number, 1. If you have 1 toffees and I have 10 toffees, who's more toffee? I have more toffees. 10 toffees. So, it's very much easy to understand the smaller number. Quantity wise also. Quantity wise, if you see, the quantity wise, if you have 1 toffees and if I have 10 toffees, 10 is more. So 10 is a bigger number. 10 is more, so 10 is a bigger number. So 10 comes last, and the process also, when we are counting the numbers forwardly, it is also bigger number in this. So this way I have done the ascending order, smaller number to bigger number. B. See, I have here, what's the number is there? Numbers there? 1, 5, 15, 0, 9, 4, 6. So we will count the numbers from 0. 0 will always come first. When counting starts, we count from 1, but 0, if you write the 0, 0 will come first. First of all, 0. Okay, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, others number. So here it is, 0 is there. So we will put 0. We will write 0 and it cut. It is necessary to cut these numbers, otherwise you will be confused. You will be confused. If we will not cut the numbers, then you will be confused. So 0 will come first. Then after 0, you count. What is there? 1 is there? No. 1, 2, 3, no. 4. Yes, 4 is there. So 4 here come. 4. Then 5. No, 5 is there. 6. 6 is, yes, 6 is there. So next is 6. Next is 6. And 6, 7, 8. No, 7 is not there. 8 also there. Then comes 9. Yes, 9 is there. So you will write the number 9. Okay, you write the number 9. Then cut the number 9. Then 1, 5, 15. Okay, ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. If we are doing the forward counting also, it is also smaller number to bigger number. Okay, now the number is 2, 2, 0, 20, 7, 3, 1, 1, 11. We have to, what we will do? We have to arrange in ascending order. What we have to do? We have to arrange this number in ascending order. And ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. So, we will count from 0. See, the number is here. Whatever number comes first, you will write that number. That is only the smaller number. That is only the smaller number. You know the concept of smallest and biggest number. Smaller or bigger number in that class only. Means in first term only I have teach you smallest number and biggest number. So, 2, 0, 1, 2. 2 is there. Yes, 2 is here. 2, we will write 2. 2 is the smallest one. Okay. First we will write the smallest number out of these number. Which is the smallest? We have to write the first. So 2, when we are counting the numbers, 2 come first. So 2 we will write here. Then 2. After 2, 3. 3 is there. Yes, 3 is there. We will cut and write 3. Then 4. No 4. 5. No. 6. No. 7. Yes, 7 is there. We will write the number 7. Then 8. 9. 10. 1, 0, 10 is there? No. 1, 1, 11. Yes, 1, 1, 11 is there. 11. Then 1 number left. We will write that is the biggest number or bigger number 2, 0, 20. So 2, 3, 7, 11, 2, 0, 20. I have arranged in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. So children, this is the concept. When we are counting the numbers from forwardly, it is automatically ascending numbers, because ascending numbers means smaller number to bigger number, and forward counting also smaller number to bigger number. So keep in mind, whenever you are doing the ascending order, you will do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, then process will be easy for you to do it. Because if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, that process is also easy. But we can't write. We will not write. We will not practice of that type, because if the number exceeds 40 or 50, it is difficult to write there. So we will not write. We will practice like this. Okay. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.